Welcome everyone to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to create a Zoom account. Now to do that, open the Google browser on your PC and then click open a new tab. There on the search bar you type in zoom.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official webpage of Zoom. Once you're at the official webpage, you need to move your mouse cursor to the sign up free over here and click that. Now to sign up, you need to verify your age. Type in the birth year, then click on continue. Now type in the email address for the account. Then click on continue. A verification code has been sent to the email address of yours that you have just provided. You need to type in that code on this text box. Go and check your mail. There's the Zoom mail. You click open that. Now you just need to copy this code from here and paste it over here. Then click on verify. This will verify your email address for the Zoom account. Then after, you will need to provide all the information over here. Type in your first name, type in your last name, type in the password, retype the same password as above for the confirmation, and then click on continue. And just with that, you have created yourself a Zoom account. Here you can see your profile over here. So this is how you can create a Zoom account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.